So I'm going to share with you a cool utility for actually previewing your YouTube thumbnails before you upload them to your channel. You might have created a really cool thumbnail in Canva or whatever editing software that you're using, but you don't really know what it actually is going to look like on different devices and within the actual YouTube platform. And this utility, which is thumbsup.tv, helps you do that, and it actually helps you with your titles as well. Because if you can place your title here and you just drop your thumbnail into this particular area here, and then it's going to end up looking like this in terms of your web browser. So it's going to give you all different angles and viewpoints within the YouTube platform and the devices. So it gives you a good gauge of how big or what it looks like in this very small aspect of the actual platform. Because when you're actually creating it in Canva or any other type of editing graphic program, it may look good all blown up and everything, but once it's actually scaled down to your thumbnail size, some of the text will actually, you won't even actually see it because you want the text to pop out so people actually click on your thumbnails, and obviously you've, that thumbnail has the big promise delivered in the video, your content. So saying that, you can see what it looks like within the YouTube platform on the sidebar in the home small, in channel pages, and you can see the actual title, what it actually looks like when it's actually been cut down. Obviously some of it gets chopped off. See how it gets chopped off here, just says your views, where it actually says your views depend on it. And you see the full, and it actually shows the full heading here, the history, and you see it on a large wait later list. So it gives you all the previews and actually devices that I actually look on. See, this is on the mobile, on full width. So you can see where most times we put things onto the mainly left and upper right for the total, so it doesn't get covered by this timestamp here. And on the column, see if there's actually the text is actually looking like it's popping, and Apple TV and the original image. So hopefully that helps out if you're looking for a utility which is free, Thumbs Up TV, to help you preview your thumbnails before uploading them and give you a gauge of where everything is. And this utility is cool because you can switch on and off in the dark mode or light mode, depending on it. I prefer dark mode, easier on the eyes and easy to see if your um, thumbnail pops as well. Because most people, I think, are actually using most of the dark modes on all these platforms now to save a bit of that eye strain. So that helps. There'll be another video around here that you can click on and give you more tips and hacks to growing your channel as an over 40-year-old on YouTube.